Hi, my name is Marin,
Hi, my name is Ashley,
and we're with Cal Poly Pomona ASCE.
and today we're going to show you how to construct a popsicle stick bridge. So have you ever wondered how bridges are made?
And how they're able to hold so much weight.
Well, today we're going to help you build one and find out.
If you look around you, you can find trusses almost everywhere. Signs posted along the freeway are made with trusses, and so are the big towers that bring power to your homes and signal to your cell phones. Bridges, of course, are also made of trusses. Well-known sites like the Brooklyn Bridge in New York or the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco are made up of these systems as well. Trusses help support cars and people crossing the bridge. So, how are bridges able to hold so much weight? Well, it's because all of the truss that they hold in civil engineering. Before we begin, it's important to talk about what trusses are. A truss is a system of members, or in our case, popsicle sticks, that are connected in a way to help support a structure like a building or a bridge. Trusses come in all different kinds of shapes and sizes, and the most common tend to look like a series of triangles and other shapes. Here are a couple examples of trusses that are typically used in building bridges. This is a Warren truss. Notice their pattern is made up of triangles that face up and face down. This type of truss can also be built with straight vertical members or popsicle sticks that run through the center of each triangle. This is a Pratt truss. This type of truss is made up of mostly rectangles with a diagonal line that points towards the bottom of the truss and two right triangles at each end. Another more complicated type of truss is called a camelback. The shape of this truss compared to the previous examples is more circular. A camelback truss is made up of triangles that point down. You can also add straight vertical members or popsicle sticks to create more support.
So the materials that you'll need are going to be about 100 popsicle sticks, some wood glue, various binder clips, and scissors are optional, but you can use your hands, as well as some various objects that you can use to test the strength of your bridge. The bridge we'll be using today uses beams on the top and the bottom of the bridge structure, just like the Warren truss, like Marin described earlier. In this tutorial, we will be building the Warren truss. So first, you're going to glue 3 popsicle sticks in a straight line, just like this. This will be your first layer. Now, you're going to take 2 popsicle sticks and glue them on top, overlaying. For the purposes of this video, we'll put the layers right above each other. So this will be the second layer. Next, you're going to take another popsicle stick, break it in half, and then put these 2 at the ends of that second layer. So it looks just like this. Now, you're going to take 3 more popsicle sticks to complete your third layer and place them right on top of the second layer. When you glue all these together, it should look just like this. This will be your first beam. In total, you'll have 4 3-stick beams and 2 2-stick beams. So next, you're going to take 1 3-stick beam and 1 2-stick beam and 6 popsicle sticks. You're going to create your truss triangle by placing it from one joint to the other. So your layout should look like this. When you're done, your truss wall will be created, and it'll be looking just like this on the bottom. So next, you're going to take 2 3-stick beams and about 30 to 35 popsicle sticks and lay them all out adjacent to each other. This looks a little rough, but when you finish, it should look like a base, just like this. You have about 32 popsicle sticks here, and you have your 3-stick beams here. So now you're going to take 2 more 3-stick beams with your new base, and you're going to put on your truss walls. So when you do this, you're going to take your wood glue, line it on the bottom of the 3-stick beam of the truss wall, and glue it onto the base. You're going to do both sides. So you should have 2 walls, 1 on each side. Hold it in place until it's glued and dry. Once your walls are placed on the sides of the bridge, we're gonna add 9 more popsicle sticks to the top of the bridge to add a little bit more support. These sticks will allow objects to be placed on the bridge.
And now we're ready to test our bridge.
So starting with our lightest object, it'll be this wallet. The bridge is good.
Moving on to our next object, I have an iPhone XR. It's holding up pretty well.
Now we're gonna add the iPhone 11 Pro. It's still standing. Looking good so far.
And now with our heaviest object, a purse.
And we're still good.
Looks like we did a great job.
Now that you've tried and designed your own worn truss bridge with us, try out some other designs.
Be creative. You could use a Pratt truss or a camelback truss. Thanks for designing with us. For more information about our virtual STEM programs, visit cppasce.org.
We want to see your designs. Make sure you tag us at CPPASCE and hashtag CPPASCE STEM. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
To your homes and power to your cell phones.